0. 0 times 1 equals 0 gihapon. So, scientific is 0 times, kining, ay 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 1 equals 1. So, number 3 is simplified expression f equal a plus b, not b plus c. Expand using this distributive law, f, a and not b plus ac plus 0 plus bc. So, proceed na dali agad as Pwede siya is 4, number 4 is final form. F equal a and not b plus bc. So, mauni siya ang logic is ang a daw ay udagat na siya diri sa a plus b. So, ang b daw ay diri ang na siya power sa not o not niya. Mauna na siya sa kulungan. Pwede na siya sa not b. So, ang c daw ay diri na siya sa or b plus ay not b plus c. Onya, ang diri na siya maano sa ang final daw anak na siya ay plus a plus b plus b ay not b plus c. So, real word identifications. Let a user's credential A accepted b. User credential b not black and c and b numberized. This project grants Wi-Fi access when either A is valid while B is not black, or when B and C are both true, be accepted and admit override active. In practice, A and not B plus B C models. Credential if the secondary credential is with unlocked or allows access if the secondary credential is accepted together when unadmitted and override. So next. Week 17 data. Original Boolean expression f equal a plus b not b plus b a plus b to not b plus c a plus b to not b plus c. So sa protable is same na siya sa week 16 like ang a plus b o not b plus c is times lang siya sa 0 times 1 plus 0. So 3 is logic diagram is same na lang siya sa week 16 kay paano man itong silat ano? Number 4 is simplified Boolean expression. We simplify f equal a plus b not b plus c. Use distributive law. One is factors equal a, b. Number 2 is f equal a and not b plus ac plus b and not b plus bc. 3 is apply complement law. B and not b plus 0. F equal a and not b plus ac plus bc. Number 4 is no more like terms. This is the final simplified expression. F, which is the factors a not b plus ac plus bc. Real world IT application is this Boolean expression can model a Wi-Fi phone and security system. Input A and B represent normal users like ensure that either user can attempt to log in the expression. B plus C check if user B is not logged or if the admin grants special access. This logic ensures safe, controlled decision making in the authentication system. So, the KMAP is full true values mentor. So, ang mentor na ay A, B, C, F, kay same na siya sa true people, kay mao kay ang name A, B, and C, kay dili mao na siya nga nakakuan naka-assign 0, 0. Tapos, sa F equal 1 for mentor, 3, 4, 5, 7 only. 0 only admin terms of ay 0, 1, 2, and 6. B is BC. So sa A is 0 and 0, M1, M3, M2 is yung values is 0, 0, 1, 0. A equal 8, M4, M5, and M7 and M6 is ang yang values is